Hi everyone. So today we are going to talk about the string handling using the string builder for string concatenation. So coming to the introduction, in Java strings are immutable. So this means every time you concatenate the strings using the plus operator, a new string object is created. This can lead to performance issues, especially inside loops or when concatenating the many strings. So second one, the problem with string concatenation using the plus operator. So every concatenation creates a new string object, and old string objects become eligible for the garbage collection, and this wastes the memory and the CPU time. And coming to the third one, so when you use the string builder, like when concatenating the strings inside the loops or repeatedly, so when building the complex strings dynamically and to improve the performance by the reducing the temporary objects. And how the string builder works, so when concatenating uses a like a mutable internal buffer to append the strings, and appends the strings without creating the new objects each time, and also converts to a final immutable string only when to string is called. And also like benefits when we are going to use in the automation testing, so it will be used in the test scripts often build the dynamic strings, example like xpath, css selectors, and logs. And efficient string handling reduces the execution time and memory use. With these are the benefits in the automation testing. If we consider the code example like string concatenation in your loop, so here I am going to demonstrate an inefficient plus usage and plus operator usage and versus efficient string builder usage. So I will show you the visual diagram. So like string handling options, like string handling is going to have the two operations, like immutable string using the plus operator creates a new string every concatenate, and mutable string, so which is a string builder and uses the internal buffer to append efficiently. So if we consider the flowchart, the how the string concatenation with the string builder works. So I am going to start it and create a string builder object, and then for each string to append, and append string to string builder buffer, and then to the like a repeat until all the strings appended, and convert the string builder to the string with using the to string method, and uses the final concatenated string, and I am going to end the program. So if we consider the how to write down the code, so here we have the like class name like string builder example. So this is how we are going to write down the class, and we are going to parameterize it like comments, like main method, which is going to demonstrate the difference between the string concatenation using plus operator and using the string builder. Here we are using two things, like string concatenation using the plus operator and using the string builder. And we are at the rate parameters and args command line arguments not used. And here I am going to take main method, so public static void main string args, and inefficient string concatenation using the plus operator inside a loop. So I am taking the empty string, like string result equals to double quotes colon, and I'm taking the for loop, which is a traditional loop, like int I equals to 0, I less than 5, and I increment, and each iteration creates a new string object internally, and which results to the like result plus or equals to assignment operator, like number plus I plus double quotes and colon. So I'm going to print output like here with help of the using the plus operator, like using plus operator plus results. So finally the result will be printed. And now I am going to use the like efficient string concatenation using the string builder. So we have the string builder, like we need to write down like a string builder sb equals to new string builder, and we are going to use a for loop, and where for loop int I equals to 0 semicolon and I less than 5 and semicolon I increment. So inside it I am appending the strings to the same internal buffer, like sb dot append a number and dot append I dot append double quotes. So this is we are going to concatenate it operation, and then we can check in output. And finally I am printing output like using string builder, like sb dot to string method, So now we can observe the difference between the string concatenation using plus operator and using the string builder. So now I am going to run this code. Like you can see, like output of the string concatenation using plus operator and using the string buffer. It is the progressing the and launching the code output in the console. You can see in the console output, now it's completed 100%. So now we can check the output in the console. See, these are the different outputs generated by the code, using the plus operator, like number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and using string builder number 0, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. So this is how the both string concatenation using the plus operator and using the string builder operation works, and print the output in the console.